Most people think that financial planning is difficult and hence don't do it. So we understand that you would like to keep things simple but still get a realistic plan that you can act on. This is how we designed the Money Works For Me financial planning tool. With little effort, you will get a plan for all the things that you need to do and want to do. On the first page of Money Works For Me financial planning tool, you will fill in your basic information like your date of birth, your children's name, their age. Please read the tool tips carefully to understand what you need to consider before filling each item, and then save to go to the next step. Once you save this, you see a basic plan for the three common but most important goals, that is children's higher education, their marriage and your retirement. You can click on each goal and check how this has been arrived at. For example, the higher education goal. You need to look at the fees and the living costs for all the years of higher education currently. We are given a current starting estimate of rupees 10 lakh. You can get a good estimate of the current cost by a simple Google search. You can change the amount and time limit for every goal as per your plan and save. Easy, isn't it? Now similarly, you can add any other goal. It could be buying a new house. In this case, we have taken a goal of buying a car. It could be any other goal. You simply need to put the current cost of your goal here and how soon you want to achieve it. Once you do that, Money Works For Me financial planning tool will tell you the amount you need to contribute every month in equity and debt. Now, before coming to the retirement, the first thing you want to check is whether the locked-in investments that are available for retirement planning are correct. This should include anything that you have saved in LIC or EPF, or if you have invested in a second real estate, which you can liquidate and add to your retirement corpus. Once you have saved this, you can go to the retirement planning. In this case, Shivam needs rupees 25,000 per month post-retirement for maintaining his current lifestyle. He needs to have a corpus of rupees 2.42 crore, and out of this 38 lakh is provided by his locked-in investments. So he needs to generate the balance of 2 crores in this bucket. Now the monthly investment required is approximately rupees 8,000, out of which 6,300 has to be invested in equities and balance in debt. Coming back to our dashboard, if you wish to delete any aspirational goal, which in this case is buying a car, you can simply click on delete icon. Until now, we did the total assembly of our goals without deploying any lump sum that we currently have. This is a very important part in financial planning, so the next step is how to deploy the lump sum and towards which goal. You have an option to allocate your lump sum amount in 4 different ways. Select one and check what happens. Say you select the nearest one. You will see the lump sum is allocated to the nearest goal, which in this case is buying a car. Check how much the monthly investment is required in this case. Similarly, if you select furthest, it allocates completely to retirement because it is the furthest in terms of time period. Now the monthly number changes. In fact, it has come down, so this may be more suitable. After you check the 2 other options, select the option which requires the lowest monthly investment and click on Optimize. In future, whenever you have a lump sum amount, you can add it and do the same exercise. Cool, isn't it? You now have a clear plan for how much you need to save through monthly investment in equity as well as debt. However, remember that you need to adjust the monthly debt portion that is invested in PPF or EPF, since the investment amount shown does not include these contributions. Similarly, the lump sum that you had is also deployed in equity and debt. Now that our financial plan is ready and we are reasonably happy with this, you can save. And you are ready to take the right actions to execute. Now you know the importance of financial planning and you know it's super easy to do it on Money Works For Me, and it's free. Now go make your plan. Also, you can get in touch with our investment counselors for any queries. Thank you.